We received the resignation letter of Deputy Chairperson, Kohima Municipal Council on 17th of January 2026, and as per the provision under Nagaland Municipal Act, we have issued 15 days notice on 27th of January, and on 11th of February we have forwarded the matter to Department of Municipal Affairs for the final order, which is still anticipated. Insofar as Chairman is concerned, we have received a resignation letter on 10th of February 2026, and on 12th of February we have issued the 15 days notice. And so we are, after the mandatory 15 days are over, then we'll proceed further writing the letter to Department of Municipal Affairs.
Sir, what was the reason cited for
The reason for the resignation was medical grounds.
Also, if you can kindly give us an update on the fire incident.
How many days we are in now? Day of Southern Suku Valley on fire, and even today the IAF helicopters, they have done 2 rounds of Bambi buckets operations, and we have tried to contain the fire wherever it is located, but fire seems to be moving from here and there, and so operations are still on. My manpower from the civil administration, the police, and then SIO volunteers, they are working on the ground on a daily basis.
So what is the extent of the damage so far?
I think the damage is more than half. As per the locals, especially in the Man Valley, once if the fire damage burns down the dwarf bamboo, we expect the fresh flowers to come up in the valley.
The main valley so far remains untouched, or is that also being burned?
It is also being affected.
Understanding the manpower on ground is not like the first few days where it has been decreased.
Yeah, as of now, our monitoring is basically to see that the fire does not escalate and come down to the inhabited areas. So wherever we see the fire, we let the IF do the operations. So our main job of the personnel on the ground is to see monitoring. Once the Department of Municipal Affairs come up with a notification declaring the post as vacant, now it is up to the councillors to elect their own chairman and vice chair.